Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, Lisa and I, we're on the Enchantment of the Seas. We're on deck 7 now. This is a passenger cabin deck. There's a bunch of cabins here. And so we're going to point out where your cabin is in relationship to stairs and elevators, as well as crew doors and other obstacles that might be in the way. Now, if you've never seen us do one of these videos, I can't turn the camera for you to see every door or door number. You'd get seasick. How ironic. So I'm going to call out the numbers and use my fingers or finger and thumb to point them out. But do us a huge favor. When you hear and or see your door, leave a comment below of when you're sailing on the beautiful Enchantment of the Seas. So if we're ready, let's get going. 7112, 114, 16, 18, access to the stairs there as well. 19, 22, 23, 24, 26, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, crew door, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 42, crew door, 44, crew door, 46, 48, 50, 52, crew door, 54, 56, 55, 58, 59 and 60, 61, 65, 63, 71, 66, crew door. I believe we did a review on that cabin. Crew door, 68, 7170 as would cross over, 7171, 7172, crew door, 76, 72, 76, 71, 7670, crew door behind me, 68, 76, 66 with a crew door right there. 63, 65, 61, 59, 60, 58, 55, 56, 54, crew door, 52, 50. There's a little bump right there.
There is.
I want to be careful about that. I nearly tripped on it twice. 76, 48, 76, 46, crew door, 44, 42, crew door, 40, 39, 38, 36, 35, 34, 32, 31, 30, 28, 27, 26, 24, 23, 22, 19, 18, access to stairs and elevators, 16, 14, 12, here's the main access to the forward elevators and stairs. Aft elevators and stairs. Sorry, everybody. And you know what I did miss? There's a sign, but in case you need a restroom, there's a sign that points one deck down. I just thought that was interesting to point out to you guys. Okay, 7610, 8, 6, access to the actual elevators, and a space to either sit or overlook the centrum. I call it the atrium. 7604, 2, 7600, 7598. Again, access to this area here. 7596, crew door. 94, 93, 92, 90, 89, 88, 86, 85, 84, crew door, 82, 81, 80, 78, 77, 76, 74, 73, 72, crew door 70, 68, crew doors, 66, 65, 64, 62, 61, 60, 58 in the crew door, 57, 56, 54, 53, 52, 50, 49 and 48, 46, 45, 44, 42, crew door, 40, crew door, 38, 36. Here we are at the forward elevators and stairs. Crew door, 34, 32, crew door, 30, crew door, 28, 27, 26, 24, 23, 22, 20, 75, 19, 18, 16, 15, 75, 14, and a crew area. It's funny, the door just opened, but we can't cross over, so we have to walk back and walk around. We'll see you on the other side. Here we are. It says crew only. It's carpeted. Interesting. This must be offices. Okay, we're on the 7,000 side now. 7,006. Crew door, 8, 7, and 10. 12, crew area, crew door, 14, and a ramp. 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 30, crew door, 32, 34, crew door, 36, and here again was the forward elevators and stairs that we used to cross over to the other side. 70, 38, 39, 40, 42, crew door, 44, 45, and 46, 48, 49, 50, 52, 53, 54, 56, 57, 58, 60, 61, oh geez, 62, crew door, 64, 65, 66, 68, crew door, 70, crew door, 72, 73, 74, 76, 77, 78, 80, 81, 82, 84, 85, 86, 88, 89, 90, 92, 93, 94, crew door, 96. Again, the other side of this cool little seating area overlooking the main atrium. 70, 98, 7100, 102, 104, and more access to the stairs, or the elevators, I should say, in the center atrium. The stairs are up here. 106, 108, 110, 112, and there's your stairs. And guess what? This is right where we started. So we have gone 360 degrees here on deck 7. So don't forget, let us know when you heard and saw your door called. And until we see you on another deck or another ship, be safe.